back to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we explore the world's most extraordinary luxury homes, modern estates, and architectural masterpieces. Today, we're bringing you an exclusive tour of this breathtaking modern luxury mansion, a perfect blend of elegance, comfort, and high-end design. From stunning outdoor views to beautifully crafted interiors, this home truly represents the ultimate American dream. Let's begin with the exterior. As you approach the property, the first thing that captures your attention is the striking modern architecture. Clean white lines combined with bold red accents create a powerful and luxurious first impression. The wide driveway, landscaped gardens, and perfectly balanced facade give this home an unmistakable presence. From the drone day view, you can truly appreciate the scale and symmetry of this magnificent estate. Now, let's step inside. The grand entrance hall welcomes you with a double-height ceiling that instantly elevates the sense of space. The marble flooring reflects natural daylight pouring in through floor-to-ceiling windows, while the modern chandelier above adds a touch of elegance. This entrance sets the tone for the rest of the home, luxurious, open, and thoughtfully designed. Moving into the formal living room, you'll notice how comfort meets sophistication. Plush seating in red and white tones, stylish decor, and large windows create a warm yet refined atmosphere. This space is perfect for hosting guests or enjoying quiet evenings with family. Next, we enter the TV lounge, a cozy yet modern entertainment space. Designed for relaxation, it features a large wall-mounted television, ambient lighting, and comfortable seating. The red and white color palette continues here, adding character while maintaining a clean, modern aesthetic. Just beyond the lounge is the open-plan kitchen and dining area. The kitchen is a true chef's dream, featuring sleek white cabinetry with red accents, a spacious island, and high-end appliances. Whether you're preparing everyday meals or hosting a dinner party, this kitchen combines functionality with luxury. The dining area flows seamlessly from the kitchen, offering a perfect setting for memorable gatherings. As we continue, let's take a look at one of the most impressive design elements, the staircase. The floating marble stairs with glass railings create a stunning visual feature. Bathed in natural light, this staircase feels more like a piece of art than a functional element. Upstairs, we arrive at the bedrooms, beginning with the principal suite. This luxurious bedroom offers generous space, large windows, and a calm, elegant atmosphere. The red and white design theme is used subtly, creating a relaxing environment without overpowering the space. The attached bathroom feels like a five-star hotel, featuring marble finishes, a modern bathtub, and a glass shower. The additional bedrooms continue the same level of quality and attention to detail, making them ideal for family members or guests. Each room offers comfort, privacy, and beautiful views. Now let's head downstairs to explore the entertainment areas. The games and bar room is designed for fun and social gatherings, offering a stylish space to unwind. Nearby, the private cinema room provides a true movie theater experience right at home. For fitness enthusiasts, the home gym is fully equipped with modern workout machines and mirrored walls, allowing you to maintain an active lifestyle without leaving the comfort of your home. Finally, we step outside to the garden and swimming pool area. The outdoor space is nothing short of spectacular. The luxurious swimming pool, surrounded by white marble flooring and red accents, creates a resort-style atmosphere. Whether you're enjoying a morning swim or relaxing by the pool in the afternoon sun, this space is designed for ultimate relaxation. This incredible property perfectly showcases modern luxury living, thoughtful design, premium materials, and elegant spaces throughout. Thank you for joining American Dream Mansions on this exclusive home tour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. We'll see you in the next episode, where we continue exploring the most stunning luxury homes around the world.